Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says a box containing 6 letters shown as carded. What is the probability of the outcome A, D in that order if 2 letters are drawn one by one, A with replacement, and then B without replacement? So for A with replacement, there are 6 letters in total, so the probability of drawing A first is 1 out of 6. Since we're replacing the letter, there is still 6 letters in the box, and the probability of drawing that is 1/6. To find the probability, you're going to multiply these, and so that's 1/6 times 1/6 is 136 is your answer. For the next one, without replacement, you're going to do 1/6 is the probability of drawing the A, and then because you're not replacing, then you're going to multiply that by 1/5, so it would be 1/30th would be the answer. So I hope that this video helps. This is a teacher signing